In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Discord stops working when you open your game. So if you're trying to run your game at the same time as Discord and either the application stops working or the voice chat stops working, then I'm going to show you a few ways we can fix this issue. So first thing you need to do is just open up the Discord application and then click on user settings in the bottom left hand side. In the left hand side, scroll all the way down to advanced and click on this. And what you need to do is turn off hardware acceleration, as sometimes this can cause conflicting issues with our game. So just click on change and restart, and then you can check to see if that's now fixed your issue. If that's still not working, then come back over to user settings, scroll all the way down and select game overlay. Scroll down again and make sure enable overlay is turned on and enabled. And then we're going to click on registered games in the left hand side. Now make sure the game that you're playing is detected in this added game section here. If it's not detected, we can click on the add it button and you can go and select your game manually from this list. Now if it's the audio that you're having issues with when trying to play your game in Discord at the same time, then what we need to do is come over to voice and video in the left hand panel and make sure the correct input and output devices are selected. So for the input device, this is where you'll select your microphone, and for the output device, this is where you'll need to select your speakers or headphones. Now if that's not working, then close out of the Discord application, right click on the volume icon in your taskbar and select sound settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on more sound settings, click on the recording tab, and then right click on your microphone and click properties. Click on advanced, and then disable these two options at the bottom to allow applications to take exclusive control of the device. Then press apply and OK. And once you've done that, that should have now fixed any issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.